Mothers are like glue. Even when you can't see them, they're still holding the family together. Susan Gale. The honorable juries, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anindya Putri Muharrami. I am the 5th grader of Islamic and Integrated Elementary School of Al-Furqan, Palembang. First of all, I would like to thank for this opportunity so I can deliver my speech entitled, My Mom is My Hero. So, please listen to me thoroughly, and now let me begin. My mom is my hero, not just because she has gave birth to me and raised me. More than that, she has conceived me for 9 months. She reduced her activity because of me. She gave birth to me by risking her life. My mom is the best for me. When I was little, my mom patiently and lovingly took care of me. In addition, if I did something wrong, my mom would always remind me. Sometimes I feel that I'm wrong whenever my mom gets mad at me. However, she's always patient with me. My mom also takes care of me and my little brother whenever we're sick. She wouldn't sleep to make sure we're stable. She would always ask if we feel better or not, and she would always give us medicine. For example, I had an asthma attack in the middle of the night, and she took care of me for the whole entire time. I can't even imagine what I would do without my mom. My mom would also remind me to pray and recite the Holy Quran. She has the first one to teach me to pray and recite the Quran. MashaAllah. My mom was my only friend when I was little. We would play together and had lots of fun. However, she managed to find me friends. My mom is a really strong and brave woman. She had done many things for me. She has many ways to make me more spirit to do anything in my life. She is the best for me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all about my speech. Thank you very much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.